I'm going to show you how to secure Zahari's wheelchair in the car. So let's get started. So the boot opener is, there's a little lever, if you put your hand right under here. And then, let me review that for a second. To open or to get the ramp down, we're going to push down on the bottom lever, or the top lever, and then gently lower it down. Zahari is going to come halfway up the ramp, and then we're going to get the front straps. Excuse me. Can we put the lights on? So I'm going to start off by switching on, this is the mechanism will release straps. Pull them gently, and let me show you where we're going to secure these. So it's in the anchor points, which are marked by this yellow sticker. And just bear with me a second. Okay, so hooked in securely, and let's get the other one. Take care when you are stepping on and off the ramp. Let me hook it in, and then I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so we've secured it in here on the ring. And I'm just going to make sure it's not catching on these points on the floor. Okay, Zahari is going to head on inside the car now. I'm going to switch off the switch here. Okay, we're now going to secure the chair at the back. So I'm going to start by, so on each side, these are sitting loose at the moment. I'm going to bring these down. I'm going to attach it to this anchor point here. So it's just going to slide in, and there we go, slides into position. So we'll start off by taking this hook, and we're going to use this release button here, the lever, and I'm going to pop that forth down for a moment. It's a two-handed job, so I am going to hook the chair in here, and then I'm going to use these handles to tighten it. Okay, we'll come back to the rest of that part in a moment. We're going to do exactly the same on the other side. So we've got one of these. Don't get it caught. Okay, so I'm going to slide this over this fixing point here. And again, I'm just going to pop that down for a moment so I can do it. There we go. So I'm going to just slide that over. There we go. And it's on. Press this button here to release, and then I am going to, I'm going to release it again because I let it go backwards. Hooking on, you can hear it sort of ratcheting in. We're just going to tighten it up gently. Okay, so that's nice and secure. Now for the seatbelt. So I'm going to, let me work this bit out. I'm going to pass the seatbelt mechanism. It's going to go around Zahari's arm on their wheelchair. And then we're going to take the ends of the other bits, and that is going to come up through the gap at the back of the wheelchair. And Zahari's going to plug that in with a little bit of assistance if needed.
I can't do it with one hand.
Okay, so that's the chair secured in the car. All we need to do now is bring the ramp back up, which we'll do with this handle. And the handle to pull down. And I'll just make sure I've got that closed, which I don't think I have. Okay, and that's how to secure Zahari's wheelchair in the car.